Hi guys, so this one didn't quite turn out the way that I wanted it. I mean, these two girls, they look as if they've got towels on their heads, but really it's a ballerina's hair decoration. I will get to, this was not a great drawn sketch for me. It was quite difficult. The photo was really pixelated and our eyes were also shut, so trying to see the detail was quite difficult. I'm not going to try and give myself excuses, but this was by far the most challenging sketch that I've done so far today. The rest of them actually did work out more or less, but this one just wasn't my time. So, but anyway, use this as a learning experience. All three of them were either 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes. I utilised geometric and observational methods. But I am number three was by far the best layout and in proportion and better structure, and also closest to the original reference picture. It was, as I said, really difficult to see the detail, so I had to utilise also gestural kind of lines where the cheekbones were, and also try and narrow the nose down because it looked a lot bigger on the photo, but when I drew it, it just didn't proportionally go with the rest of the face. So, but anyway, learning experience. Let me know what you think, and I shall get back to you. Bye.